Hi everyone, I'm Alison Eager, a professional ballet dancer, online dance coach, content creator, and dancer for TV and film with over 15 years of experience. In today's Hairstyle Camp Masterclass, I'm going to show you how to create a completely stage-proof ballet bun. The exact technique I use for performances that need to stay flawless under pressure. Before we get into it, a little bit more about me. I performed with ballet companies across the UK, Ireland and Europe, and worked across TV and film, including Disney's Snow White, The Witcher on Netflix, as well as projects with Sam Smith and more. Alongside that, I've performed classical ballets such as Swan Lake, The Nutcracker, Giselle and Sleeping Beauty, all of which demand hairstyles that are not only beautiful, but completely secure. So everything I'm sharing today comes from real on-stage experience, where your hair has to hold through turns, jumps, and long performance days, where you're getting quite sweaty and warm. And this is where your hair really has to be properly secure for it to stay in place. Step one, you're going to create a beautiful base for your ballet bun by creating a beautifully slicked ponytail. The placement of the ponytail determines the placement of the ballet bun. I then take the ponytail and I twist gently whilst wrapping around the base of the ponytail. I make sure this isn't too tight and it's also not too loose. I then take my hairnet whilst holding this ballet bun shape perfectly in place. Once you've double wrapped this hairnet around the ponytail base, we then come to the pinning stage. And this is where we use our U-shaped pins. This is where most people get it wrong with their ballet bun. When you mistakenly use straight pin, it slides out and doesn't embed into the bun. You do not want to be using this straight pin that looks like this. You want to be using this U-pin that looks like this. So taking my first U-pin, I'm going to come to the edge of my ballet bun and I'm going to pin through to the hair on the scalp. I'm then going to catch that hair on the scalp, then change horizontally into the base of the ponytail. This will then anchor the end of the pin into the ponytail, which will create this beautiful tension that creates that perfect ballet bun. I repeat this all the way around the edge of the bun, enough times until the bun is beautifully shaped and the tension is evenly distributed. All of the pins are pointing in towards the center of the bun, creating this beautiful balance. Next, I'm going to take my hair gel and I'm going to slick that bun until it's beautifully flattened to my head, and I'm going to gently, using my hands, smooth out all of the hair so no flyaways can ruin this beautiful ballet bun. And lastly, I'm going to take my hairspray or my water bottle spray if I want to try not to damage my hair too much, and I'm going to slick that ballet bun so it's not going to move anywhere when I move. And there you have it. We have the smooth, beautiful, perfect stage-proof ballet bun. There really is only one way to know if this ballet bun is truly stage-proof and dance-proof, and that is to put it to the test. So let's try a few pirouettes, jumps, and a few other rigorous dance moves to see how it holds up. Well, there you have it. Not a single hair out of place. Thank you so much for watching my masterclass for Hairstyle Camp. Let me know in the comments if you try it yourself, and I'll see you on the next one.